Bitcoin Black September. What? You wanna know why we believe that we're gonna have a bad September in the crypto space, Bitcoin and altcoins? Then smash that like button, cause it's time for crypto news, fun on the right, crypto at tope. But first, 1 minute to tell you about CoinEx. They wanted to be sponsors of Fun on the Right. Thank you very much. You want to buy, sell crypto, or do your first steps in the trading world? Then CoinEx is without a doubt for you. Also, if you are an expert in the crypto trading space. CoinEx makes things easier for trading, buying and selling in the crypto world. You have more than 600 coins you can buy there, the best ones. And also, if you're concerned about crypto safety, well, they have 100% safe for your funds. The fees are actually really competitive, and they have several options for trading. They have spot, they have futures, margin, also swaps and financial services like AMM. Do your own trading between 1,000 possible markets you can choose. An exchange, CoinEx, that is backed by a whole ecosystem via BTC, which is one of the huge pools of mining pools in the world. Also, today I talk about Telegram. You can find there riders like yourself, and they will help you. You can share your stuff there and keep on learning thanks to CoinEx. Thank you very much for the sponsorship. You have the link in the description if you want to meet, if you want to join CoinEx, both the Telegram and also the platform. If you use the link to join the platform, you will be helping Fun on the Right indirectly. Thank you very much. Always remember, do your own research, investigate some more, and remember that this crypto world is not regulated. There are risks associated, so do not gamble with money you can't afford to lose. And now to the crypto news. We believe we're gonna have a bad September. We wonder what title used today. We have the worst is yet to come, or we have the worst month for Bitcoin, which is September. Finally, we have this Black September, and that's because remember, we finally ended with a red candle for Bitcoin in the monthly. So in all the bear markets for Bitcoin, August is in the red. And what about September? Well, September is not better than that. The last 5 years, we've had a red September. 5 times in a row, which is a very bad sign. Also in bear markets, always in the red. And right now you can see that September is the worst month for Bitcoin in those terms. Red always. If we go here to these lists, you can see that we don't even have 2012 and 11, but we will have one more red even here for Bitcoin. So it's very strange, rare that we have a green September. We might have a red one. It's what JP Morgan is telling us, that we should run from the crypto space because everything is very risky due to the financial conditions of the world, due to inflation, etc. In Spanish television, they believe this is just a scam.
El Bitcoin es, en mi buen parecer, una tomadura de pelo.
In opinion of this guy, Bitcoin is just a scam, absolutely. Thank you for sharing your thoughts, but we believe that Bitcoin technology is so huge, it's so important. It means revolution for the world. It means that we finally have money that is solid, and you can listen to this explanation and maybe this changes your mind.
When you want to buy something normally, using your normal bank card, this is what happens. I give my card details to the shop asks the bank if I'm good for the money. The bank checks its records to see if I've got enough in my account. If I do, it lets the shop know. It updates its records to show the movement of money from my account to the shop's. Takes a little cut for its trouble. Now, if you wanted to remove the bank from that system, who else would you trust to keep those records and
Nobody.
not alter them or cheat in any way? Well, I wouldn't trust you. I wouldn't trust you. In fact, I wouldn't trust any single person. But I might trust everyone.
Wow.
The idea is you don't have a central record of transactions. Instead, you distribute many, many copies of this ledger around the world. Each owner of each copy records every transaction. So, to buy something using cryptocurrency, I give the shop my details. The shop asks all the bookkeepers if I'm good for the money. The bookkeepers all check their records to see if I have enough. If I do, they tell the shop, and then all update their records to show the movement of money. So there's no way that a forged transaction can make it in. If I try to alter a ledger, it won't match all of the other copies, and it gets rejected. Oh, and one of them, at random, will be given a reward of some newly created cryptocurrency. This is how cryptocurrencies work. And remember, all of these bookkeepers, all of these ledgers, they're not actually people, they're computers. Lots of computers.
An awesome explanation, of course. Also remember that you can send Bitcoin not just through internet, but also through radio, Morse, and other systems. So crazy. Also crazy that over 900,000 addresses now hold over 1 Bitcoin, and that brands like luxury watchmaker Jacob & Co. Has revealed Bitcoin themed watches. So it's being more and more adopted. Everybody is getting more conscious about the importance of Bitcoin. Maybe the thing is that some people are focused into speculation. They might see the chart like this. So it's the very beginning. We need to keep on going up and maybe forget about money and just focus in technology, as we didn't focus on money when internet was developed and invented. Also remember, it's 1 year already since El Salvador had Bitcoin as legal tender, and now they are putting in more money into the development of the Bitcoin beach there in El Sonte, El Salvador. Also, we warned you about this. Empty Ghost repayment date is delayed again to mid-September. This has happened so many times in the past, and here in Crypto News this time we were correct in believing that it was going to be delayed. Also, a lot of smart people believe in the crypto space. For example, Reddit co-founders, his fund is investing 177 million into the crypto sector. So it's no nobody, it's someone very successful in the technology world. Also, Michael Saylor is one of the advocates for Bitcoin, but right now he's having trouble with the regulator. Some money is missing in the tax report, allegedly. So we'll see if this makes Michael Saylor sell some Bitcoin or not. Right now, we go to the chart. Bitcoin is pegged to the $20,000, and we'll see about that. The longer we stay there, the longer, the more possibilities we have of going down. Remember, we don't have to lose, we don't have to miss this yellow line, because it's the very good support for Bitcoin. If we lose this, then we might go to the abyss, like Matthew Hyland is telling us right now. He's trying to explain that Bitcoin behavior right now is like this stair. It's going down and down and down and down. And again, right now, we're waiting for Bitcoin around $40,000. I'm not expert, I'm not financial advice, but we have to go some time to those $23,000 beyond the moving average of 200. Maybe we will follow this new path, this fractal, and maybe around the 1st of October, we were believing that maybe 6th of September, but right now it seems that it's more possible that around October at some point we break this line and start believing that we might be in a bull market again. Remember, with the RSE, we still believe that we might go down to the 30 range. That would mean a fall of 45% to around 13,700. We'll see about that. We'll see about the cross of the MACD for the 3-day chart in Bitcoin. That would mean that we have to go down, and it happened here and here in the past. Right now, we still support here with the last all-time high. That's a good thing, but it's not good that we're still down from the $1 trillion for the crypto space. If we go to Atani, our sponsors, and we think about past 2 years, well, remember in August, we had a flat month, past 2 years going a little bit up. Right now, this month of August was worse than the past two, and the past 2 Septembers were flat or flat going a little bit down. So we expect going really down this September. So as we are a counter indicator, we might go up as crazy. We'll see about that. The dollar is going up. That's not good for Bitcoin. We have this fractal for the halving cycles. We might be still on track with this, and we have to look at the gap. Right now we don't have a gap in the CME futures, so everything cool. The stock market really bad for Asia. It went down as Bitcoin. So what's going on there? Maybe all those information about inflation, etc. Right now in the Eurozone, we have the worst in the history. It's 9.1% for the inflation there, and that might affect dollar and the crypto world. That it's the path of pain, as we said last time. We need the dollar going down, and right now it's not happening. So we fear that we are in the 20 in this indicator. The market is in the red, and we have the bubbles in the red, but this scam, this thing called lunacy, which I believe is crazy. Good news for Arbitrum, they have their upgrade, and right now we didn't hear about a token airdrop, so we'll see about that. The most important ones in the red today, Ethereum still beyond the moving average of 100, which is good. We'll see about that. And also, if we think about the monthly for Ethereum, well, September is not a good month for Ethereum either. If we look at August and September, we have 6 red months for August and 2 green months. And right now we are close to that with September. So we are 5 in the red, 2 in the green. So probably we'll have 1 more in the red. And so everything is the same, 6-2, 6-2. Also, the past 2 years were red for Ethereum in September. So what do you think about that? Maybe we will be happy and dancing like this guy next year when Ethereum goes to $10,000. Is that crazy? Leave a comment there in the description. Thank you very much. We are just 13 days, 13 days to the merge to the Ethereum 2.0, and Vitalik Buterin is really excited about that. Oh my God, that's some crazy stuff. Vitalik Buterin is releasing a book, apparently. Maybe this is fake news, but if not, 10 years of memories of Vitalik. I leave you the link in the description if you want an NFT of the book. If it's not fake news, as I'm telling you, so I didn't research this, it might be a lie. But if not, we want that book for sure. Now Cardano, it has a very good news, new milestone, as first NFT lending platform is set to launch in Cardano's network, where we have the official pool of fun on the right, Cardano on the right. Fanon, if you want to join us, well, do it. The link is in the description. Also, anyway, we believe that the metaverse and the crypto space is going to develop, and we see signs of that right now. For example, some artists are going into the metaverse. Frida Kahlo art finds permanent home in the metaverse, where our friends, partners from over the reality are in the top 1. They are holding the flag of the development of the metaverse and the AR. So congratulations on that. And also now you have a contest. So if you want to participate and win some OVR tokens, the link is in the description. Thank you very much. We speak about technology. What about this guy? He's flying to the top of a mountain just as if he was Iron Man. Crazy. This is today's world. Also now we have this system. So if you have a crash, you will turn around and you will be just fine. Also, it's so good to know how things were made in the past. For example, the cartoons sound effects. There you have a bell. And there you have a bell in the cartoon. Also, a train. This is how the sound was made. And if everything falls down like the crypto space, then that was it. So interesting watching how the world is developed. And right now, let's talk about Real Madrid soccer team and its stadium. When it's finished, it's going to be an engineering masterpiece. You can just hide your field. Once it's hidden, you can there use some water and the better conditions for it. But then you can use the stadium for many other things. For example, you can do there your venues. Maybe you want to have there some basketball games or maybe some tennis games. Maybe you want some football there. You can do that now. And also crazy huge concerts we will have there. So really awesome. Congratulations on the Real Madrid fans. But you missed one thing, which is having some Bitcoin miners in order to give warmth to the field, as we see here. Really interesting and also crazy that we have now a scooter that is that you can have in your backpack and then inflate whenever you want it. I need one of these right now. I'm using these motorcycles, electric ones you find in Madrid. If you want to help me, because I get some mints for free if you join the platform, link is in the description and the code would be XRY 99995. So thank you very much for that. And if you like discounts, if you're going to Paris, if you're going to the next huge venue for Binance, then you have 20% off. Link in the description. Also, you might go to Chile for free. There are some tickets, link in the description. And remember that you always can do trade for free, paying no commissions in Bitcoin and Ethereum in Binance. If you use the link in the description, if it's the first time you're using it, you're going to have $300 for free in commissions. And then after that, 20% off for life. Don't miss that out. Right now, I'm using a nickname and an NFT avatar in my account. I just learned how to do it. Link in the description for that too. And as we are talking about the sponsors of Fun on the Right, let's talk about BlockFi. Today, they just paid out $5.8 million in crypto interest to the accounts that are outside from the United States. So besides the fiasco of the summer, good news for BlockFi. They just raised rates on the 1st of September as they did in August 1st in order to encouraging us to keep our money there. As always, just money that you can have at risk. If you don't know what I'm talking about, there's the platform. We have videos in Fun on the Right about it. Thank you to the community that shared good stuff with me. For example, this writer, Aketsa Aguilera, that just wrote a book about Bitcoin. We are going to buy one of them. And congratulations to everybody that is developing things in the crypto world. Also, thank you to everybody that shares good stuff with me, like this picture about a lemon. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade. But what happens if the lemon is one of these? Well, we still do lemonade. We take the most of it anyways. In Fun on the Right, we don't fear things. We desire stuff. We don't say I can't. We say I did. So just turn yourself from a person that says I can't to a person that says, I might, I will, I am, and I finally did. Really good. Don't be scared, as this dog is really scared. We're going to help you to enter the crypto space. Maybe we'll have some trouble at the beginning, like this dog, but we'll make it through. We'll have help from some friends. Last dog, this dog is saying, come here, come back. That's a scam. Don't go there. Just be here watching the show, Crypto News. Thank you for the rabbits too, because they are also in the crypto space learning. There's not just cats and dogs, also little rabbits. And don't get mad in the crypto space in Twitter or the comments, because then the reality is different from the things we say in the social media. What about this guy? He doesn't want its crypto to be stolen, so he's so focused in crypto safety, and we are happy, like this dog is happy, just with a balloon. So remember, always be happy with so little. We have no more time anymore, so if you want more crypto news, come tomorrow, smash that like button, and we'll meet here again in Crypto News, fun on the ride, health, money, love, peace party, crypto a tope, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!